In this lecture, we are going to create the 3D model of example 31 drawing attached with this lecture. This is the drawing for which we want to create the 3D model, and this is the 3D model that we are going to make. Let us start. First, we'll create a sketch. I'll click on the sketch icon. We'll take this plane. We'll take profile and create a profile something like this. The view has rotated, so we'll click on normal view. Let us zoom in. Select this and this axis. Coincidence. Double click on dimensioning from here to here. This radius value is 24 divided by 2, 12. From this point to this vertical, this value is 50 divided by 2. From this point to this vertical, this is 74 divided by 2. Now the height. This total height is 45. So we are having now the sketch. We'll exit the workbench. Click on shaft. Select this section and select this vertical axis 360 degrees. Click on OK. Now again we'll select the sketch. We'll take the same plane. We will create two concentric circles. Double click on circle. Create a circle here, and again I'll take its center and create another circle. Press on the escape key to exit from the command. Now double click on dimensioning. From this axis to this center, this dimension value is 70. From this horizontal axis to this center, the location of this center is 35. Now we'll give the diameters. This inside diameter is 30 and outside diameter is 50. The sketch is fully constrained. Now exit workbench. We'll take pad, select this sketch and give a value. First we'll create a mirror extent, and this length will give a value of 60 divided by 2. So 30 per side. Both the bodies have been created. Now we have to create the intermediate body. Let us select the sketch. Again the same plane, and let us create a profile. We'll create a profile something like this. This line and this edge coincide. Double click on dimensioning. From this axis to this line, the value is 35. Deselect dimensioning and let us move it so that we'll get a perfect figure that we want. Double click on dimensioning. From this line to this axis, this is of value 22. From this line to this point, that is the length of this line. Double click, this value is 10. Double click on dimensioning again. From here to here, this angle is 15 degrees, and this thickness, this is 10 degrees. No need to constrain this line because it is going to merge with this cylinder, so it doesn't matter. Just keep it inside it so that there will be sufficient material for adding. Now I'll take pad, mirror extent, and this total thickness value is 20. So 20 divided by 2. We have created the middle portion. Now we have to just give the fillets. Let us click on edge fillet. We'll get it here. Edge fillet, or I can go to insert, dress up features edge fillet. Click on this edge and give a value 6 mm. Click on OK. Now again we'll take edge fillet. Select this edge. Give a fillet value of 10. Click on OK. And you can see here we have made the 3D model.